Chapter number 3, MS Word 2010. How to set line spacing. Line spacing is the space between the lines of the text in a document. To set line spacing, follow the given step. First, select the text for which you want to select the line spacing. Second, click the Home tab on the ribbon. Third, click line spacing from paragraph group. A list appear. Fourth, select and click the spacing you want to select between the lines. How to insert symbols. In MS Word, there are some special symbols which you can insert in your Word document. To add symbols, follow the given step. First, click in the document where you want to insert the symbol. Second, click the Insert tab. Third, click symbol from the symbols group. A list of symbols appears. Fourth, select and click the symbol you want to insert. The symbol will get inserted in your document. It is possible to number the lines of the document. To do this, in Page Layout tab, go to Page Setup group, then go to the Line Numbers command and choose from the various options. How to apply shadow effect to the shape. To apply the shadow effect on the shape, follow the given step. First, click on the shape. To select it, the Format tab opens. Click on Shape in Effect and from drop down menu, click on Shadow. Click the style you want. You will see its effect on the shape. How to apply 3D effect to shape. Applying 3D effect means displaying the object in 3 full dimensions. To apply 3D effect, follow the given step. Click on the shape to select it. The Format tab opens. Click on Shape Effect from Shape Style group. From the drop-down menu, click on 3D Rotation from a list of 3D effects that appears. You may click on and select any one effect for the shape on the document. How to change the position of an object or image. You can place an object or image at different positions anywhere within the text. This makes your document more attractive and enhance its presentations. To change the position of the object, follow the given step. First, click on the object or image to select it. The Format tab opens. Click the position arrow. A list of different layout appears. Select and click the style you want to apply to the image. You will see the position of the image has been changed according to your selection. This is the end of our third chapter.